as a newly growing business, you want to make sure you do your part by incorporating a lot of different video ideas to let people know that they can trust you. I wanna Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. If you're new, I hope you can stay a while. Today's video, we are going to discuss 5 video ideas for skin and body care growing businesses. Heavy on the growing. If you have a skin or body care business and you are struggling with video ideas or video posts for your social media account so you can promote to increase your audience retention and engagement, please keep on watching. So my first video idea is going to be a brand story. So obviously, as you guys know, when you're a new business owner, nobody's gonna pay attention to you. Nobody know you like that besides your friends and family. And to be honest, 9 out of 10, they're not gonna purchase from you, and or they're not your target audience. So please don't make your business for them. Make it for a specific audience. Create a brand story about your business so people want to know why you started your business, who you are, what you stand for, what products are you selling, what are the benefits of your products that you're selling or services. Because you can have like, you know, like a little salon that you do facials or lashes or whatever. Have a brand story where people can get to know a little bit about yourself and your personality. Try to incorporate yourself, your voice, and also your product and the services that you are providing to the consumer so they can know a little bit more about you. Because as you guys know, we are living in the digital world and there's a lot of scams and we don't got time for that. Okay, so in order for people to trust you, you need to create a relationship with the consumers so they can trust you enough to purchase items from your website. Because we no longer live in a world where, you know, products are being put into stores and people are just purchasing. People are purchasing people and not product. So if you have a brand story, or if you have like a platform where you introduce yourself, let people know who you are, what you do, what you stand for, and you show off your bomb personality, people are naturally going to gravitate towards you and they're going to support you because they enjoy your personality, they enjoy who you are, and they also enjoy what you stand for. And then which leads them to trust that whatever product that you are providing is going to benefit them in some type of way. Number two is like my all-time favorite video idea, and that is a shower and skincare routine. This sector, if you want to go viral, this is what you need to do. You need to create a shower routine using, you know, other people's product and your product. So like the first item can be like okay, say for instance, let's use me as an example. So I sell shower gels. So this is like my shower gel. I sell body butters and I also sell body scrubs. So what I would do is, you know, I do like, let me set up the scene for you guys. Okay, so I'm taking my phone, I'm opening the bathroom door, I am turning on the light, and I am pushing through the shower curtain. I am turning the water, and then I'm doing another slow motion shot of the water trickling down. And then my first product, because we got to start with the face and work all the way down to the toes. So my first product shot with the water just glistening down is going to be my Fenty Beauty cleanser, right? So that is what I wash my face. Then we're gonna go down to the body. So down to the body, I use my product. So now I'm using my my body soap. You see what I did there? I started with a popular product, which is skin, and then the second product is going to be my product, which is the body soap bar. And then I probably will use like a Treat Hut sugar scrub, or I will use, that's really popular, or I will use my body shower gel because it's like in a, you know, cute packaging and it's like unique and different. And then I'll use the shower gel, you know, do a cute little slow shot of the shower gel, lather it on, and I will like squeeze it so you can see the texture onto my leg, and I will like, you know, scrub it on my leg so you can see like the foam and everything. I'm gonna insert, you know, another product from a popular brand. I don't want to do all of my product. I want to incorporate my product with popular products, just so, you know, people can be like, oh, okay, I see what you're doing there. And I turn off the water, and then I dry myself, and then I end with my product, which is my body butter. So I do like a little shot with my body butter, and then I play with the texture just so you can see the consistency of the texture. Then I lather it onto my body, which is my leg, because I'm not putting my naked body on social media. Y'all don't pay me enough for that, okay? So then I put it on my leg, and then I let you see the glistening, the shine, the sheen, the moisture leg, okay? People love shower routine. And then the skincare routine, because you know a lot of people have problematic skin, like they either have acne prone skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, everything else in between skin. So if skincare item is within a niche, either acne, dry, sensitive, eczema, or whatever, you could put that as your title, and then you could use your items to aid it. You can start with a cleanser, you know, your moisturizer, your serums, and all that goodness. People love skincare routine. People love routines in general because people are nosy. People want to know what you're using, how you're using it, where you getting it from. So if you incorporate your product and popular product, people are more likely going to purchase from you. So if your first product shot is of like Fenty Beauty or a Tree Hut or a Victoria's Secret or a Bath and Body, make sure the second, the fourth, like every other product is your product. I'm gonna tell you, people are going to purchase from you because they're just automatically gonna think, well, she's using a cleanser that costs $50 and you're using a moisturizer you made. People are going to naturally buy that because I think a Fenty moisturizer is $30. I should know because I have it. So if your moisturizer is $15 or is $10, people are going to buy it only because they see that you paired that moisturizer with a known brand cleanser. So they can tell by your skin, well, if you're using this expensive cleanser with your affordable moisturizer, it must be a match in heaven, instead of just paying like $60 for a cleanser and a moisturizer from Fenty Skin. They can buy the cleanser and then buy your moisturizer and just be in love. So okay, shower routines and skincare routines is for the win. So number 3 is going to be my all-time favorite. I feel like all of these video ideas are my all-time favorite because these are the video content that I produce on my social media. I just love these type of content. So number 3 is going to be pack with me videos. Oh my god. So pack with me videos, the new trend now. People want to see what you're including in your packaging box, the stickers, the way that you package. People just are naturally nosy, and when I mean people, I am included me because I am nosy too. I want to know, if I purchase from you, what am I gonna get? It's gonna look like a Christmas gift because we love that. We like the sparkle, we like the extraness, the bouginess that goes into these packaging videos. Like, I live for them. And also it does 2 things for you. So it let people know what they're expecting in their packaging, and also builds trust, because when they see these packing videos from your growing business, it lets them know, okay, what are the popular items that people are purchasing from your business. And also, nobody wants to be the only person or the first person to purchase from a company. So while you are a newly growing business, if they see, wow, you getting 5, you getting 10, you getting 15, you getting 20 orders a day, people are going to more likely be relaxed, and they're going to trust that if they order from you, you're not going to scam them. That is extremely important. It's about building relationship and building the trust value between the business owner and the consumer, because like I said, there are a lot of grimy people playing on Beyonce's internet, and we are not here for it. So as a newly growing business, you want to make sure you do your part by incorporating a lot of different video ideas to let people know that they can trust you and your business, so that when they hard earn money to your business, then they're going to receive a product. So for my fourth video content is going to be talk through video content about the ingredients that you use in your product. People are becoming so conscious of what they put in their body and also what they put on their body. So they want to make sure that whatever they're putting on their body is natural, is organic, is beneficial for their body, is not filled with cancer causing chemicals or just chemicals, period. Another way to get customers to trust you and to trust the product that you are making, you should also make content video a bit about each ingredient, why it's beneficial and why you added that into your products, because again, people want to know what they're putting on their body. And if you just tell them the ingredients that they're using and the benefits of that ingredient, people are going to love your product and they're going to trust you and put in that order. And we are here to grow, okay? We are here to make sales, because that's why we spend our time making these products. So as a business owner, please do your research on the different oils, the different extracts, the different preservatives, because a lot of you growing businesses are not using preservatives. Remember, these products are going onto people's skin. You want to preserve your products and you don't want to get sued, okay? Because if somebody gets a bad reaction from your product, they can sue your business. And if you are on the smaller end, sis, and you don't have a LLC, they can go after your money. They can go after your personal coin. So please do your research on the different type of ingredients that you're using, the different type of extracts that you're using, and also different preservative, to ensure that when people are using your products or when they're storing away your products, bacteria isn't growing within the container causing a reaction onto their skin. So for number 5 is skin related ideas. So like I said before, a lot of people fall in different categories. So you can either have acne prone skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, or anything else in between. So whatever your niche is, find out what causes that issue and then provide the product, your product, to bring solution to reduce that problem. Make specific related videos towards that product. So if it's acne, make videos relating to acne, what causes acne, how you can reduce acne, how you can change your diet with acne, what products is best for acne. But yeah, anything related to skin, depending on the category that you want to dive into, incorporate your product within there with information and also entertainment, because you know, people talking about skin and ingredients and extracts and all this stuff is boring, okay? Let's be completely honest. It's boring. Not a lot of people is just gonna sit there and be like, okay. So you have to find a way to like bring energy, bring personality while you are giving this information, because you want to keep them hype. You want to let them know, like, listen, I feel you. I know that you got acne. I had acne. I have acne. I know what acne skin makes me feel like. I know you're going through it. This is the product that I made to reduce the appearance of acne or to just keep them at bay, and I know it can help you. These are the ingredients that I use. These are why I use these ingredients and these extracts. I know they have all these benefits that is going to help your skin be renewed, be moisturized, be hydrated. You know, you just have to figure out how to word it so that people are constantly engaged with the information that you're providing, with a little dazzle, a little personality, you know, never hurt anybody. You know, you gotta stand out. So yeah guys, so those were my 5 video content ideas for anybody that are into the skin and body care business revenue. So if you guys are having hard times creating videos or you don't know what to film, come back to this video and get some inspiration. I'm also incorporating into my social media platform. I've noticed in videos do better than others, so when they do better, I just try to recycle it and try to redo it and try to make it different every time that I film it. But you know, everything is a trial and error, and on this platform I just want to give, you know, positive feedback. I want to give results. I want to give a value on how to grow your business, so you guys can use as a template if you guys are lost and confused and just don't know what to do. Just come back to my channel and I'll definitely drop some gems that I learned throughout my growing business journey that I know that will help you guys. So if you guys like this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This love that I'm feeling.